mind. That is, and we are able to share information. That is it. Internet, interconnected computers and devices. You get, for the purpose of sharing resources or information. So, Patrick, you are able to know what is happening in the US just because of the internet. You are able to know what is happening in Russia because of it. So that information. So what can internet be used for? Those are the functions of internet. Uses of internet. Give me some of the uses of internet. This one said entertainment. Making research. This one said research, this one entertainment. Another one. It is used to send, basically, the main function of the internet is for communication. You get it? For communication. During that entertainment, someone is communicating to you with the easy dance moves. When you go to TikTok, someone is communicating to you. It's not entertaining you, but it's communicating to you so that you can feel interested in easy information, so that you can get views and other things. You get it? That is internet. So, sending and receiving messages or information. You get it? You are always on TikTok. You record your videos. You send them for us to see, not sell. For us, we can send you back comments and likes. So you have sent and received it. You have sent information and you have received the feedback. That is communicate. So this is the main function of the internet. So in whatever you do, what I'm doing. You can go. I have a program. You have one day. That's the main. So, is to send and receive information. You send your video to us, we give you information. So comments, what. You understand my point? Then, also we have communicate instantly. Instantly. It's like this. Like using internet, information can be communicated instantly. When I send you a WhatsApp, you can see it on that exact time. It takes just seconds. Even if you are in China and I'm in Uganda, you get it? Like information can be delivered on that particular time. You get my point? Yes. That is communicating instantly. Previously, during times of our our judges, you get it? Someone could die on a particular community. They give you information. Go and tell someone in Masaka for you when you come and see me. Go and tell someone in Masaka that this person has died. For you go to inform them, you come back when they have even already buried, even the mourners have already gone. You are coming back after informing them. Also they come, they see when everything was already done even a week before, because they could just move by foot. They take days on their way. So information could delay on that way. You get my point? You get my point? So information could delay. So by the use of the internet, communication is instant. You can easily send and receive feedback. You get my point? So also another use of the internet is to access websites and services. You are able to access your online portal. Did you see your results under courseworks? You did.
Yes.
You got how many?
It was 62. Here they are not displaying me.
What? 50. Click on the coursework. Click here. It is incompleted. Click here. It is completed. Now select view. To go to start out of 50. You got. The other one was incompleted, so the system couldn't verify. You got. Either you never did it, so you are able to receive that resource. Don't grant to check right now. You are able to receive that information because of it. So you have accessed that service. You get my point? You have accessed that service. And then the website, you are able to access our website just because of it. So we have shared files, videos, that's the entertainment he talked about. Share files, videos, and images. But you can find that even this is part of the point its own. Because you can share videos, not part of entertainment. So this makes your point valid and good. Yours was also research. Used for research. We're able to go and then you find out. I told you make some research about internet. About internet, you also went to internet. Search internet on the internet. Okay, so that was research. So internet is also used to conduct businesses and online learning. Conduct people and you are able to conduct online learning. This one confused with this, but they are different. Okay. Research is different from online learning. And I have a friend like you. You are working in a business. How many times do you get something? Let me say earpod, and you say, let me record a video. You get. You know that nowadays you find people in commerce, but having customers in Kampala. You record something that you have this. It's so good. You know that people follow you within the community when they don't know what you do. They are doing big. Someone records a video that I have this. It costs this. If you want, you can do delivery in Masaka. You get. Someone will see your video and then he contacts you. When you do business, you can find that you can sell something which costs 20k and you sell it 30k. You get. what makes this the way to communicate? What do you use your TikTok for? Just to record the moves? How will people know that you know computer? Post the videos. You tell people, do you want to do this? So you have to do this. If you want personalized learning, come to my inbox. You might not be it, but you can say that if you need the calendars, come to my inbox. Calendars are used. Then you talk about calendars, what the use of calendars in business. So person will come to you to make for him or her that calendar. So you are waiting to be business. So internet has helped you to conduct business. You get? So having said all of this, that we classify now internet as network of networks. Because everything that we have talked about is about networks. So now we have seen that now internet it can be a network of networks. At what time do you sleep? So we shall have learning at 11. You get it? So that she will be also done. At 11? At 11 when? 11:15. 10 minutes past 11. You get it? So having said that, we have a body Patrick Osolo government. Let me avoid it one body that this is too small. Let's talk about examples of internet use. Yeah, the other one will use it, but we have what we call examples of internet use. Applications of the internet. We have direct applications of the internet. I'm not talking about apps. I'm not talking about apps. So, where is internet applied? Where is internet applied? So, we have direct application, browsing what? You browse what? This is the directing. So in learning, you have to browse the web. To go to our learning portal, you have to browse the web. The website. So we have sending emails. Have you ever sent any email? Because you can send SMS over the website. But you have to browse that website that can help you send an SMS. You get it? You can't send an SMS direct. We have online learning. Online learning. Online learning. We have social media. All of you are attached to a social media platform. Am I deceiving? all of you are attached to the social media platform. Not so?
Yes.
If not TikTok, then it's Facebook. If not Facebook, then it is Twitter. How many of you use Twitter? Do you use Twitter? LinkedIn? Do you use LinkedIn? Or most of you? WhatsApp, TikTok, YouTube. WhatsApp, TikTok, and Twitter. Now this one uses Twitter. You have video conferencing. When I say video conference, what comes into your mind? Video conference. Yes. You can see we have churches. They have a certain crusade, and it is visible online. Have you ever seen it? Pastor Kande, live YouTube. You have never seen that? They have online banking. You have online banking. Have you ever used in online banking? Have you ever? You have an account in the bank? Someone told me before, I used to think whoever is already ATM, I can say it, not knowing that you saw one ATM when any negative. You know that. You are able to use an ATM machine that is under online bank. ATM to communicate with the bank that uses the internet. You are able to use your phone. Now, if I'm to pay you, it doesn't need me to come to you. I will just ask your number. I put it here, I send you money. You get? You get? We have streaming music and movies. Music and movies. What you are able to access movies also. Not so because of it. So now you see that now internet is part of us. Now there is no way we shall run away from the internet. Do you know that? Eh? You don't know? Now internet is part of us. Emyaka gyena ku nsi kiseera okuba mugona nasooka okufa naye nga kisoboka abaana abazaalibwa ekiseera okuba nga mugona ali anakusooka okuva ku nsi naye nga it is possible but unless God decides. What am I saying is that every day now our children, what they will see, our children, you get, it will be